huge sinkhole with ancient underground forest found in a mountain in Guangxi, China. A team of Chinese scientists discovered a giant new sinkhole with a forest at the bottom. The hole was 630 feet deep, deep enough to swallow the archway of St. Louis. A team of cavers and explorers descended on the gorge on Friday, May 6, and discovered that there were three cave entrances to the gorge, as well as the ancient trees up to 40 meters high that stretched their branches to let sunlight filter through the sinkhole entrance. The discovery is not surprising, said George Veney, Executive Director of the National Cave and Karst Research Institute, NCKRI, in the United States and an international cave expert, because southern China is home to karst topography, a landscape prone to dramatic sinkholes and airy caves. Karst landforms are largely formed by the dissolution of bedrock. Rainwater, which is slightly acidic, traps carbon dioxide as it flows through the soil and becomes more acidic. Then it rushes and flows through the cracks in the rock, slowly widening it into tunnels and fissures. If the cave space grows large enough over time, the ceiling may gradually collapse, opening a huge sinkhole. Due to local differences in geology, climate and other factors, the way karst comes to the surface can be very different, he said. So in China, you have very visually spectacular karst with huge holes and huge cave entrance and so on. In other parts of the world, it goes into the karst and you really don't see anything. Meter or two in diameter. The entrance to the cave can be very small, so you will have to dig. The new discovery took place in Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region near Pingyi village in Li County, according to Xinhua. Guangxi is famous for its stunning karst formations, from pits to stone pillars to natural bridges, winning the area a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The sinkhole's interior is 306 meters long and 150 meters wide. Jiang Huang, chief engineer at the Karst Geological Institute, told. In a cave in West Texas, says Winnie, tropical ferns grow in abundance. Fen spores appear to have been transferred to nature reserves by bats migrating to South and Central America. Sinkholes and caves provide not only a haven for life, but also challenges for aquifers or deep groundwater reserves. Karst aquifers provide the only or primary source of water for 700 million people worldwide, says Winnie. But they are easily accessible and drained or contaminated. Karst aquifers are the only type of aquifer that can contaminate solid waste. With the new discovery, the number of holes in Li County is 30. The same researchers previously discovered dozens of holes in the northwestern China's Shaanxi province and a cluster of interconnected sinkholes in Guangxi. Thanks.